Hi guys, in today's video we're doing a full review on at-home hair removal at this IPL headset that I've got from My Skin First. So for people that don't know what IPL is, it basically means that the light energy is absorbed by parts of your body with high pigments, which then is absorbed, and the heat kind of damages the follicles, which then prevents hair from growing and slows down the whole process. So that's basically what it does. It works in the same principle as the laser hair removal. This is how it came. So it comes in a white box. I'll just quickly open it to show you guys. It comes with a 1-year warranty and with this manual, so just like this. I basically got the pink one, but you can also get it in white. And this is the headset. It's very simple. It only comes with one button here and one button here as well. And it comes obviously with the plug. So I'll quickly show you guys how you can use it. So you basically plug it in. Get the cable and you plug it in at the top, and basically you turn it on here in this green button that's flashing. When you turn it on, you can hear a bit of a fan going on inside. Also this button here, it helps with the intensity. So if you click it, it basically shows the level of intensity that you want to have it, and you basically press it against your skin and you zap, zap, zap. So it's very, very simple and easy. It doesn't hurt you, just feels a bit warm on the skin, but absolutely nothing compared to like waxing that leaves your skin so irritated and it's so painful. This is absolutely nothing like that. I wanted to try it for 12 weeks first before actually making the review, just so I know the results. And around the 4th week, I started seeing some progress. So my hairs were growing back, but very thin and in patches. So I started to see results. I mean, if you have dark hair, you know how annoying it can be, and it grows back so thick and it's so visible. So I've definitely seen a big difference with this. So I highly recommend it, guys. It doesn't hurt, and it also comes with 300,000 flashes, which means it's going to last you for around 10 years. I mean, it's very cost effective if you think about 10 years paying for waxing. So so yeah, definitely get it, guys. It's from My Skin First. And if you have any comments, any questions, just pop them down below.